Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cooking in Ethi's Kitchen. On today's video we are going to be making pancake, and I'm going to be doing my own pancake in a different way. So please watch, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys the ingredients, which is I want to put a bit of tomato and spring onion. I'll be using vegetable oil, I'll be using milk, I'll be using flour, I'll be using powdered sugar, pinch of salt, teaspoon of vanilla sugar. I'll be using 1 egg. That's all I'll be needing for my special pancake. So please watch, like, comment and subscribe.